What's up, everyone? Hope you all having a great day so far. It's a new week, so that means a new BUC-EE'S update. There's a lot of changes going on this week, so make sure to stick around for the whole thing so you don't miss any of them. We'll get right into it. Sit back, relax, enjoy the flight.
Here's a new segment we're trying out. The BUC-EE'S Fun Fact of the Week. Did you know that they hold the world record for the world's largest car wash? The conveyor is 255 feet long.
up and eventually it was fine. Here. Here's a sped up version of my son's 5-minute flight. He didn't want to stay in the air very long this week. Alright, that's going to wrap things up for this week. If y'all hung around this long, thank you. We appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Stick around till the very end to see what they're doing to the exit ramps at the BUC-EE'S location. My idea is it's going to be to alleviate traffic in the future. Anyways, we'll see you in the next one. Thank you. And if you want to keep going down the YouTube rabbit hole, let's pick another video for you right here.